Welcome to MarineMax, Maryland. My name's Perry. On the next edition of boat walkthroughs, this is the 2020 Scout 235 XSF. On the back, we've got your black 300 Mercury outboard. We got a nice sea deck on the back, so grips on your feet. You'll notice the full walkthrough transom. Not a lot of boats do that out there. So you come, you walk in the boat here. You've got, your stern seat pops out right here. You've got rocket launchers up top. You got a tea bag storage. You've got spreader lights. As you walk around, notice here from the dash. So you've got your Fusion stereo headset. You've got Lenco trim tabs with indicators up and down, so you can actually see what your trim tabs are doing. Here's your throttle, digital throttle and shift on this one. It's a panel for your lights. You've got courtesy lights, interior lights. You've got where your bilge lights and your horn, all located, easy access right in front of you. Your Garmin screen, it's an upgraded Garmin screen on this boat, and then you've got your upgraded steering wheel located in front of you. And we move around to the head, big head on this boat. So get in there and gonna get a little view inside. So whether that is a quick storage, swimsuit change, something like that, even I can fit in there. So moving forward on this boat, notice the T-top. So with this one is Scout's Midnight Edition. A lot of differences out there on Scouts, but with the Midnight Edition really separates you from not only the Scouts on the water, but the regular package. So big coffin box right here. Whether that's, again, more storage, theme we're going with here. 65 gallons of storage, whether that's a fish box or anything you want to put in there during the day. Up top, you've got removable forward-leaning backrests, and this is kind of like a bow rider feel up here. So you got fishing, and you got family. And of course, up top, you've got grab handles, Midnight Edition, and a nice anchor locker. You've got recessed cleats, pop-up cleats, and then you've got two cup holders up here that can dual as cup holder bow rod holders. So if you want more questions, or you have more questions, you want them answered, give us a call, 410-732-1260. My name's Perry. Thank you for your time. See you out in the water.